friends, I also parked here this power Beko. Hello guys, welcome to my channel with a new hand drive video. Friends, today is very interesting video here. This is a very nice color combination and many different types of toy vehicles serially arranged here. All are nice and beautiful. So now I will drive all of this with my hand. At first is a runner car, so let's go. Oh friends, I parked here my first toy runner car. This is a very nice cartoony model car. Here is white, black and red color combination. Next one is here a horse on alien. I parked here this alien beside this runner car. See, this is yellow and black, yellow and red color combination. This horse on alien. Now I will drive this melted tanker. I parked here this military tanker. This is a realistic model plastic toy. You can see this is green, black and red color combination, this military tanker. So friends, you can see here already 3 vehicles one by one hand driven and introduced with you. Next one is here a cartoony car. I parked here this cartoony car beside this tanker. This is very nice green, black, white and yellow color combination, this nice cartoony car. This one is a police car. I parked here this police car beside this cartoony car. This is very nice and realistic model police car. You can see here is white, black and silver color combination. This nice model cartoon realistic model police car. Last one is here a power Beko. So friends, I also parked here this power Beko beside this police car. This is a realistic model power Beko. Here is yellow and black color combination. So friends, one by one all of these toy vehicles hand driven and introduced with you. All are nice and beautiful, and I hope you like this video. If you like this video, you will subscribe our channel.